Hello everybody, I am Hank Plays, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to install Windows 10, the technical preview, through a virtual machine. Today we will not be using VirtualBox, but we will be using a software called VMware Player. Now this is like VirtualBox, but it has a few more features which I like, and it's still free. So first we're going to install VMware. So we're going to go to here, click try for free, click download now. I already have it at download. It won't let me redo the installer, so sorry. After that, we will go back, sorry. Then we can go to Windows 10, download the ISO, x86, if you're going to be using less than 2 gigabytes of RAM. Even if you are, I'd recommend just using it. And then we can launch up VMware, you can download it. So I'm going to launch VMware Player. And then this was a failed one. I'm going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to select Windows 10 Technical Preview. Then here we have the product key, so we can copy that, and then paste it. Full name, Henry S. Password, skip it. And you can name it Windows 10 times 3. I'm going to give it 8 gigabytes of space. If you go less than that, it won't have enough space. So I'll give it 10 actually. And then I'm going to do single file. Multiple files is just a waste. And finish. Alright, so now I'm going to pause the video here, then let it create the disk. Alright, the installation has finished, and now it will boot up. And one of the nice features about VMware Player, just click remember later, is that it does a thing called easy install, where it'll do a big chunk of the work for you. So now it'll say preparing files, or setup is starting. Couldn't remember which one it was. You select Windows 10 Technical Preview, next, and it'll do this. And I'm just going to pause the video because this will take a good 10-15 minutes, and then once it's done, I will continue the video. Getting files ready for installation usually takes a while. Alright, the other ones are really fast. Alright, it finished everything, and now it's restarting. I'll just click restart now. It took me probably a solid 10 minutes to do. Sorry about that. I got a bit of a runny nose. You just see something along the lines of welcome to Windows. You can get apps from the App Store, things like that. If you've ever started up Windows 8, it's really familiar. It's really similar to that. And it kind of will glitch out like that, for me at least. It might not happen for you. Devices ready, and then oh, okay. This will go fast enough. I don't need to pause the video. Sorry about that. Just like my throat's really clogged up and stuff. Yeah, I've been able to do this in like 15-20 minutes tops. So that's also, I'm using a computer that I built that is really nice. So if you're using like a 5-year-old laptop or something like that, this might not be your first choice, but it's okay. Do whatever you want. I'll resume the video when this whole thing is over. Alright, so the thing, after it was finished, the screen went black, it restarted, and now I'm at this screen. So no errors so far. It's nice. But you remember, don't make your disk less than 6 gigabytes, or I'd even say 8, or else it won't have enough space to install Windows, because Windows 10 takes up like, whoop, what happened? This is weird. Oh, let's hope it still installs. This didn't happen because I've installed it on a separate device before too. Well, this shouldn't happen to you. Alright. Well, this kind of stinks. So after a while, it'll say getting devices ready, then it'll say let's start. After it says let's start, then it'll take you into the desktop. Now I'll go and show you what the desktop looks like. I'm sorry, that didn't happen to work. So this is mine. This is the one that I always have used. So this won't work too well because I usually run this full screen. I'm using Bandicam, and that doesn't really work. Maybe later. Your screen will be smaller. I changed my resolution to 1920 by 1080, which is my computer's native resolution. It'll stay black for a little while, then it'll pop up my home screen. Now we're into the dust. It won't look like this exactly because I've installed a few things on this one, but it'll look roughly like this. So this will start slowly appearing. Start menu slowly. Sorry, it's a little slow for mine because I'm only using 4 gigabytes of RAM and 30 gigabytes of storage. Oh, there's Steam. Because it runs any Windows 8 software, which I like. So here's the start menu. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, bye.